Hey, it's Nick with Aquavoss, and in front of us here we have the Aquavoss Model 2 hot tub and cold plunge. And what I want to do right now is just walk a little bit through this unit and why it's honestly such an amazing product. So first things first, very clear, we got a hot tub on this side and a cold plunge on this side, which is ultimately designed for contrast therapy, the ability to jump between the two units to experience that. We worked really hard on the design to really make it a really nice experience for you, and we thought about you the entire time, so that we kept it intentionally simple, intentionally sleek, and we thought about size throughout the entire experience. So what I'm gonna do is walk through each of the features here and talk about it in general, starting off here on the cold plunge side. With the cold plunge side, the first thing to notice is the actual size of the tank. The tank is really big. We've gotten tons of customer feedback saying that the tank doesn't fit me, different complaints about tank size in general, and we solved that with this size of this tank over here. It is 6 feet in length and about 2.5 feet in width on the side. And then this operates with a separate circulation pump. It's got its own cleaning and ozone as well, and it has a self-filtering system also. The chiller itself, it's a Panasonic compressor, high quality Aquavoss made chiller, and this is really designed, and we've done tons of R&D and research into making this one of the best actual cold plunges available to jump into. So that's a little bit about the cold plunge side. There is a step over there that allows you to acclimate down, and then there's a big bar on the other end, which was designed to really allow you to transition into the hot tub side very easily and bounce between the two without really making that too difficult for you. As you jump over to the hot tub side, the second thing to call out again is really the size of the hot tub side. This is about 4 feet wide right here and very comfortably seats 4 people on it. It operates on its own operating system as well, going up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. It has a high micron filter as well, circulation pump, ozone cleaning system, and most importantly, it also has a really strong pump that powers the jets to give you a really good hydrotherapy experience. So I'm actually going to turn this on here for you so you can take a look at it. This is made of marine grade vinyl on the exterior, which is meant to withstand the elements. And then what I want to do now is actually unfold it so we can see how that works. So the first side that I'm going to undo is the hot tub side. And you'll see the first thing is that, if all that you want to do is just jump into the hot tub side, it's very easily done, and you can just fold over the cover just like that, and it exposes the entire hot tub side very naturally. And then if we go ahead and flip it back, and now we expose the cold plunge side. If all you're looking to do is a cold plunge side, then this exposes the cold plunge. And then all together, if you want to do both and do contrast therapy, it pops off easily just to the side there. And now you have both the hot tub side here, cold side here.